In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Mint Intuit account. To get started, open the Intuit account sign up page. This is where you'll create the account that gives you access to Intuit services. Once the page loads, you'll see a form asking for your basic information. Begin by entering your email address. Make sure you use an email account that you can access right away, because Intuit will use it to send a verification message. After that, create your password. Choose something secure that you'll remember, and if you're using a password manager, this is a good time to save it. Then enter your phone number in the space provided. This number may be used for account security and identity verification, so it's important to enter it correctly. Once all of your information is filled in, review it briefly to make sure there are no typos, then click the button to create your Intuit account. At this point, the account setup process begins, but there are still a couple of verification steps you'll need to complete before everything is ready to use. Next, check your email inbox for a verification message from Intuit. Depending on your email provider, it may arrive within a few moments, so give it a minute if you don't see it immediately. If needed, you can also check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click the verification link inside. This confirms that the email address belongs to you and activates that part of your account. After verifying your email, you may also be asked to verify your phone number. Intuit can send a verification code either by text message or through a phone call. When you receive the code, enter it on the screen exactly as shown. This step helps protect your account and confirms your identity, which is especially important for financial and account-related services. Once your email and phone number have been verified, your new account is ready. You can now sign in using your email address, phone number, or user ID depending on the sign-in options available. From there, you'll be able to access your Intuit account and continue using the services connected to it. That's all it takes to create a Mint Intuit account. Take your time during the verification steps, make sure your information is accurate, and you'll have everything set up smoothly.